Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can remove the pin from the SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A52 and A52 5G. Okay, so first of all we will need the settings for. So just scroll down here and then here at the corner you will have the symbol for the settings. So tap it. And now we have to scroll down to the point biometrics and security. Tap it. And then we have to go to the last point, other security settings. Tap it. And now we will need the first point, set up SIM card lock. As you can see, it is very hidden. And now we have here the first point to lock the SIM card. If you tap here now if it's marked blue, then the SIM pin is enabled here. So the phone will request always, if you start the phone, the SIM pin. And if you tap now here to make it gray, then you will disable it. Okay, but first of all, you have to unlock the SIM card with your current SIM code. In my case, it's 4 times the 1. So now you need the code of your SIM card, the current one. It is maybe written on a plastic card or something like this. You will have to check it if you doesn't know it. And then just tap here on OK. And now our SIM code is no more requested from the phone if you restart the phone. Okay, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.